Do you want to know how you can create a team or workspace on Otter AI? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Otter AI to create your own team or your workspace. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Below your profile, there is option of Create Workspace. Go ahead and click on it and then click Create a Team. Wait for a while and you must notice that you must have upgrade to Otter Business to create yourself a workspace. So go ahead and write down the name of your company or your school. Go ahead and fill up your card information like your card number, expiry date, CVC, click I agree to terms and service and privacy policy and then click purchase. After this you will pay $240 and then you can create yourself a workspace or a team and you can function and start doing your work. I hope this video about how you can create your workspace or team in Otter AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.